Hello, internet world. I wanted to share my review on Get Paid to Take Pictures. Now, I love to take pictures of everything. I take pictures of my friends, I take pictures of my food, I take pictures of everything. And I didn't know that it could actually make me money until I came across this program that showed me how to use these pictures to make money. In my first month, I made $1,500. $1,500 just by doing something I'm already doing. In the second month, I made $2,900. I was so motivated after my first month of making this money. I wanted to make it a full-time job, and I'm well on my way to doing that, and it's super exciting. The course teaches you the highest paying sites that you can submit your photos to. It's super easy. It doesn't take a lot of time, so I highly recommend picking up Get Paid to Take Pictures, because if you're already taking pictures, then you could be making money with them.